As soon as our mustard sauce starts to boil a little, we're just going to take it and move it off the heat until we're ready to go with the rest of our vegetables. So cut our onions into little C's here. Now I'm going to take a green pepper and we're going to cut that in half. And the reason why I'm doing that is I want to avoid all of the seeds. So that's why I'm cutting the back part of this. And then just like with our onion, I'm going to cut them into small little rings, half rings, like this. I'm going to do the same thing with our red pepper. Half, and then there's nothing in here for us to really clean. I'm going to take our asparagus. I'm going to line up all the heads. I'm going to come down and cut them right here so we have nice uniform sized pieces.